So here in this video we are going to see how the microinductors looks like under the microscope. So to remove the components, I have dipped the IC in acid and kept it for 24 hours, and later on we got these components removed easily. We got this inductor from that IC. It's covered with the ferrite and the plastic case. So I removed the cover to see inside. As you can see, it has the copper coil inside as the normal inductors having, and there are two contacts at the back. Let's remove the wire to see the length and the thickness.